Looking to give your lock screen a personal touch and really make your phone feel like yours? Well, in today's video, I've got just a trick for you. I'm going to walk you through a simple yet super cool method to add your name to the lock screen of your Xiaomi Mi phone. Let's jump right in. First things first, fire up the Settings app on your Xiaomi device. Then scroll down a bit until you spot Always on Display and Lock Screen. Next up, you'll want to locate the Lock Screen Clock Format feature and give it a tap. After that, you'll see a variety of lock screen styles. Pick your favorite from the bunch. Below those, keep an eye out for the lock screen owner info option. Give that a tap. Then, type in your name or whatever text you fancy right here. Feel free to sprinkle in some emojis if you're feeling extra expressive. Once you're done, flip the switch to Show Signature on lock screen. Then, simply hit the OK button. And voila, you're all set! From now on, your name will proudly grace your lock screen. And there you have it. That's how you jazz up your Xiaomi device's lock screen with your very own name. If this video did the trick for you, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you found it helpful, well, you know what to do. Smash that like button again. Hungry for more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi phone? Be sure to subscribe to the channel because we've got plenty more where this came from. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!